Tozani bokhokho nomkhulisa kwasendoda lesokhokho bathini bathi mawuvula kuvala emzini madoda u-Auntie Usha, your number one locksmith. I want to ask a question rather than just giving the whole idea of what is it that I can do, but I want to phrase it as a question, and I want to keep this video very short for that reason, because I just want to phrase the question and leave it there. How far can you go? How far can you go? You know, throughout the night, this is what I've been thinking. This is what have been going on in me. There's just a lot of things that has been happening in life in general. I remember, there's a lot that happened, man. I don't want to give you ideas, guys, but there's a lot that happened in my life, in my line of duty, missing flights, at here in South Africa, and I'm talking about international flights and domestic flights here in South Africa, and missing flights abroad. I remember this other one, I've missed a flight in Turkey. And a friend of mine, a very good friend of mine, assisted me, promptly, very quickly, with his last money, because he understood that, I was going through the most, and throughout the night, that missing of that flight alone, it triggered me throughout the night. So I want us to discuss, Guti, how far can you go? How far can you go for your relationship? How far can you go for your marriage? How far can you go to save that car from being repossessed? How far can you go to save that business? How far can you go to finish those studies? Studies, you owing that institution, you owing that one, you don't know what to do. How far can you go? How far can you go to lose weight? Simple thing, to lose weight, to fast, to eat healthy food. How far can you go to do that? How far can you go to stop drinking alcohol? What is it that you are willing to do? Or how far can you go in making sure that, you get rid of this alcohol in your life, you get rid of these drugs in your life? How far can you go? I want to phrase it as a question, and then it will depend with what is it that how you respond to this, and then we can move on to do maybe a full-blown video in discussing this into details. Because the reason, again, I ask this is because I think the element of laziness, it gets to us. The element of laziness, it really gets to us. The element of giving up, it gets to us. It kicks in quicker. So the question I'm asking, Oguti, what is it that we can do to stop that thing to kick in? The laziness to kick in, the giving up to kick in. What is it that we can do, or how far can we go in making sure we block that thing that will make us to suddenly want to stop trying, want to stop doing something? That's why I'm asking, how far can you go for you to find that job? You know what you are looking for, a job. There's no, we can't go there and there about it. You know for yourself, your finances are going south. How far can you go for your finances? Just to fight for those finances. What is it that you are willing to do to make sure your life is financially stable? What is it that you are willing to do to make sure the relationship you are in it's stable, it benefits you into all angles. Wena mselufu. Because we like blaming people. We like saying, yeah, I love her, but I love him, but no. How far can you go to make use of what you have, of what is at your disposal? This is what you are stuck with. Let's use the word stuck. I know people want to be diplomatic to say, no, I don't want to be stuck. No. Let's say, the reason I'm using that word stuck is because you are with this person. This is the person that you are with. This is a business that you are with. You are not stuck with this business, but this is the business that you have. This is your only source of income, or this is one of the source of income that you want to see materializing. How far can you go to save that? How far can you go to save your job? Into the midst of, the resources are not there, the HR is not coming to party, your boss is toxic, your colleagues are this and that. How far can you go to save that job? Because at the end of the day, you need to save it. And unfortunately, it's your job at the end of the day. You need to save it. How far, lastly, how far can you go to make sure when you go to a healer, a pastor, whatever they're telling you, it needs to happen? How far can you go to do it? How far can you go to make sure I wanted to do consultation and I haven't given an opportunity to do consultation. I've met with my pastor, I went to my prophet, I've went to my healer, where you got help. How willing? I'm asking this, not carefully, but I'm asking this with so open mind in terms of anything that we want to achieve in life. Anything. What is it that you are willing to do it? You know what you have a calling. But you still enjoy to go to that healer. They will tell you to have a calling. You go to that one, they tell you have a calling. How far are you willing to go for your spiritual journey? How far? What is it that you are willing to do, or you so want to go no matter what? How far can you go for that? It's a very sensitive one. Don't take it for granted. Don't take this video for granted, because the how far part, it scares the hell out of us. We tend to claim to want something. We claim to claim to want to save something. But the question is, how far are you willing to do that? Do you have what it takes to do that? Or you just dream in Jena out of the blue? You want to lose weight, but still you complain to say, oh, chocolate this. You still entertain those negative thoughts that will make you eat that chocolate, eat that delicious cake. Why? How far are you willing to do what you know? You have a specific sport that you like. You may call it a hobby, you may call it a sport that you like. How far are you willing to go to polish it, to make sure you are getting better and better and better before you change and do something else? Because this is where the problem is, and I'll go deeper on this one when we do the full-blown video. If this relationship doesn't work, you jump to another one. If it doesn't work, you jump to another one. Then there's something wrong with you. Which relationship are you willing to sit down and say, I'm going to make this one work? I'm going to make this one to work no matter what. This one is going to work. For how long are you going to change jobs? And you blame that one, you blame that one, you blame that one. At which stage in your life are you going to say, I'm going to stay in this job? And I'm going to do my level best. I'm going to be one of the best employees in this company. Which business are you going to say, I'm going to go down and up with this business no matter what? how far can you go? Sarwa Sendot Koko Batini Mbata.